In this video, we are going to create a cover slide design using PowerPoint transition. So let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Scrabble, create pattern like this. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Select both and select Union from Merge Shape. Shape outline, make it no outline. Go to Insert, click on Picture. Here I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select and insert it. Click the right button and send to back. Select both and select Intersect from Merge Shape. Go to Crop, adjust picture and click on Outside. Click on right button, go to Format Background and select background color using eyedropper. Select picture, go to shadow and select outer shadow from present. Go to insert, select text box, add logo here, select and change the font. Make it bold and increase font size. Also change the color. Press Ctrl Shift and take it downside. Write cover page here. Select it and change the font color. Also increase the font size. Go back to Insert. Click on Shape. Select Line. Drag it. Go to Shape Outline. Select Color and also increase width size. Drag a text box and add cover page information here. Select and change the font. Increase the font size. Also change the color. Select all the text boxes. Go to Format and Align Left. Go to Transition. Select Blends. Increase duration also. And now let's play the slideshow. Our cover page looks very nice and simple. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe and don't forget to watch other tutorials also. Thank you.